You in a long time, Stephanie.
A long time.
How are
oh my
you?
goodness, good.
It's
How are
good
you
to
guys?
see you,
You're going
Stephanie
on that
Barnard.
side,
Yeah,
actually.
I'll go over
Thank
here.
you so much.
Stephanie is with us, and
Yes.
she is joining us today with Stems of Life,
Yes.
which we absolutely love. And we were just talking about butterflies.
Yeah, I know. It's like
So if
butterfly
you love-
season,
yeah,
right? I
if
think
you-
it is.
Well, I am a big, I do the gardening shows, and we always get, we
Yes.
sell butterfly bushes, we sell
Oh, they're
butterfly
so
plants,
awesome. They're so
and they're our
awesome.
favorite, and our customers love them as well. This is the butterfly folded card die set. Look at the price. It is $19.95 on
disgusting.
sale.
That's amazing.
Dies, card stock, you get it all.
You do.
Yeah.
You really are. Okay, so what are you getting? Let's look at what we're going to get first, because we have a lot that we're getting, and then I want to show you how easy it is to make this, because it is a shaped card. It's a folded, and foldeds are very special, and I'm going to show you why. But first, let's look at what we're going to actually get in the kit, so then we can go through how to make it. So you're going to get the dies, the actual important things. The largest die is the biggest one. That's the most important. And then you get this beautiful intricate one. You get an extra little body. You're getting stickers, and there's 5 sheets of stickers, 6 on each one. So you're getting 30 if I'm doing my math right. Then you're getting some cute little butterfly die cuts.
Those are awesome.
I know, aren't those beautiful?
Psychedelic.
I know.
70s butterflies.
There you go. Then you're getting a magnet, and then you're also getting an idea postcard that tells you how to do it.
How to do it.
Now, what are you doing? This is a folded. A folded is a shaped card, A2 in size, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. You can have it fold on the side like this one, or you can have it fold at the top like this one. Isn't that gorgeous? Now, there's other things you can do with it. For example, watch this one. Ready? We're going to hold this one. It looks normal, right? Oh, normal card. But it stands up for display. So we can literally have it, oops, now it's not going to do it on camera, but you can have it stand up for display just like that. And then how cute is that, right? Now, let me show you how easy they are to make.
I can't wait.
Okay, here we go. Biggest die in the kit is the most important. On the back, and I don't know if the camera can get it, but on the very, very back, it says place fold here. And then it has that up at the top, and it has that on the side right here. So that was a good shot.
Instructions.
Look
right
at that.
there.
Look at that.
Yeah.
So you don't have to worry. Now what you're going to do is the hardest part. Are you ready? This is the hardest part. I don't know if you can do this. I need you to fold this in half. Fold it in half. You can do it. I know you can do it, guy.
I'm good at folding things in half.
Oh, you're taking too long. Look at how fast. Look how, oh my goodness, he's doing it perfect. You guys don't have to do it perfect at home, okay? So now what you're going to do is you're going to take the folded edge, and you're going to say, remember it says place fold here. We're going to take that, and we're going to put the place fold here. We're going to run it through our die cut machine, standard 6-inch machine. Then what you're going to get is you're going to get this piece here. Look at that. Now, it looks kind of funny, right? It's like, wait, what happened here? What happened? Well, then you're going to die cut it normally, like you normally would. And then you're going to get this beautiful piece here. So we're just going to add some quick adhesive on here just to, get going here. And then you're going to die cut out of the gorgeous die. Look at how intricate this die is. It's so beautiful. It's so stunning. You're getting all those beautiful cutouts, and I have die cut it out of the glitter.
Ooh.
One of our items today has that glitter paper on it, and look at that. It's so gorgeous. So I'm just going to peel off the adhesive on the back. Look at this. It's like literally flying away on me. Can you see that?
I
know. It's like wanting to fly away.
Oh,
so I'm just going to literally add that on top. And that is how dang easy, and it's a little crooked, but you get my You get my Swift here. Look at that. How simple and easy. Now, what if you don't want a shaped card? What if you want to put it on top of a 5x7 card base? There you go. You can decorate it, add the extra dies in there, and put it on a 5x7 card base. And I have lots of samples. Here I did one. I literally did this one live in a video on my preview video. But look at how gorgeous that is. It's literally flying away. Isn't that amazing?
I love that.
I know. So dang simple. And you're getting my famous magnets that literally the dies are not coming off. Look at that. It's not coming. It's not giving you like a crazy eyes here. So let's look at some of the samples.
You gotta check these out.
I need you to really see
these
some of
are so
these samples.
great.
Now remember, it is coming with those fun stickers. So you can get those fun stickers. There we go. We add that one. Here's another one. You get to mix and match the colors, right? So you're gonna make the colors any colors you want. You can go with the pastels. You can go with the yellows and the greens. Oh, or you can bring in some black. Look at that. That is absolutely gorgeous. Just that black, adding that. Again, you can do the top or the bottom on the fold. Look at this one, again, on an A2 size card.
That's cool.
So now, wait, do you want a shaped card?
I love that. That's like a Valentine's
I know,
one, right?
Do you want a shaped card or do you want an A2 size card? Here, we even have it on a stand-up card. So, oh, look at that pretty butterfly. but look, this one literally stands up for display.
Oh, I love that.
So
too.
awesome. So you're going to be able to, oh, and here we even have a mini book. This is a little mini book. You're just going to do a little punch through the hole, and now we can literally have a mini book right there ready to go. So there's lots of different options. You can put it on a 5x7 card base if you want to. Oh, I love this one. Here is a gatefold. Are you ready for this? Look at this. It's literally flying away when you do that.
Oh,
See that? Isn't that gorgeous?
Too.
I love that.
And you use one of the little stickers you put
yes,
inside.
Yes, absolutely. Or use part of the butterfly. You don't have to use the whole butterfly.
That's very artistic.
Isn't it? I know.
Yes.
And you know what? That is probably the easiest card on the table to do. I'm telling you how easy. You're just going to use your ink on the back and brush it, and there you go. Or turn it into a banner. Look at this. It's literally flying away. There's a cute little banner. Hello, beautiful.
Oh, you get a little fancy on me there.
I know, right?
You got a little fancy on me there.
Again, here's that artistic look that you like.
You know what I
love?
I love the size of the butterfly.
Yes.
Because it's bold.
It is.
I mean, we give you the little ones to go to adorn, but I like that because that's the message. It's fly away, be free.
Be free.
Yes.
And it's A2 in size. So when you die cut it, it's standard card size. This is going to fit in your standard envelopes. You don't have to have a special envelope for it. It's standard card size. So you're going to be able to just drop that in an envelope or put this on a 5x7 card. Fits perfectly. Also perfect for a scrapbook page. Those of you that do 12x12 layouts, this is going to be perfect. Here's another one that's very, very artistic, just on a card base. And you don't have to use the whole butterfly, just use part of it. And this is not even using the shadow part of the butterfly. So this is really showing how intricate and beautiful that butterfly die cut is. Oh, look at this one out of glitter paper again. So that glitter paper is in the balloons card die. So make sure you go check that one out. It's almost sold out.
Look at this glitter one.
I know. Isn't that gorgeous?
I
love that.
Yeah, look at this. And you open it up and it says, sending you butterfly kisses. Isn't that sweet?
Oh, look at that. Look at
we are very busy right now. Guys, it's 1995.
I know.
And you get, I mean, just for the dies.
I know.
For the cardstock stickers.
Insane.
I mean, and then the sentiments.
And you get the magnet too.
And you get the magnet.
It's like insane. I can't.
And that's like a storage board, right? It'll just stays right there.
Yeah, you're going to keep it on this, and it's not going anywhere.
And you can put it in your file.
I could probably frisbee this around the studio, and it'd probably stay on there. That's how strong these are. So,
all right.
Yes.
Brand new.
Exclusive. Yes.
Exclusive. 1995. 892-440.
Yes.
Love that.
I know. I love it.
You got more, right?
I do have more.
All right. We got the Bakery Bears.
Bakery bears.
You like bears?
I love bears. I love teddy bears. Who doesn't love teddy bears? Everybody loves teddy bears.
Bad people don't. You have to love teddy bears.
Everybody that watches loves teddy bears.
I'm not crazy about big old full-grown bears, but little baby bears are cool.
Little baby bears, yes, absolutely.
I've hiked in Tennessee too many times and seen too many bears.
Oh my goodness.
They always leave you alone. Just don't bother them.
That's good to know.
All right, so if you love that, you're gonna love this just as much. Yes. This is our Bakery Bear stamp and die kit. So great versatility. Again, you're gonna love everything that you get in the kit. I love that you can mix and match whatever it is that you want to put together.
Right.
You get that magnetic die storage board, which is huge. There.
Yes.
Sorry.
Yes, that's okay.
Those are all obviously
those are
all your
dies.
dies.
Yes.
And you get look at all these little cupcakes.
I know you're getting all the fun cupcakes. Now, when we talk about the dies, and here actually it's probably better to see them on here. We are actually giving you the shadow die. Everybody gives you the shadow die, right? We are also giving you the inside die. And that's really important because what if you don't want it to have a shadow and you just want it to cut out the stamped image itself?
Right, just the bear.
Then you're going to have just the bear right here if you use just this inside die. If you want the shadow, like this one, you can cut with the shadow die. So we're giving you 2 options on each item. That way you get to pick and choose. There's more options. You get to decide how you want to do it and what you want to do. Look at that. That's a cute one on the stand up. But here we go. Here's some on the flip it. You get to color these any which way you want. There's those cute cupcake stickers, which, oh my gosh. Oh, and it's so cute because you know what? The little sprinkles on there are foiled. They're foiled. I know. It's like you have to look at it, but look, aren't those cute?
God,
I know. It's kind of a
they sparkle.
They do. They sparkle. And it's so much fun because you get that option of doing with the shadow or without the shadow. And you're going to decorate any which way you want. So here we go. I have tons of samples. Our design team is absolutely amazing. So let's start looking at these.
Yeah.
I know.
And the bear is such a good theme.
I know. Oh, and it's
Little bear
cupcakes.
chef.
A little chef, yes. So anytime we're baking, or it doesn't have to be. So you're getting 3 different bears. And oh, you know what? I'm sorry, guys. Let's look at the stamps because we should probably look at the stamps too. It's kind of important. So here we go. We have 3 cute little bears on here. So I designed these, obviously, for you guys, and it's exclusive to HSN. I gave you the bear with a cute little chef's hat and without. You get to also get the little table. You get lots of little sentiments on there. So you get to decide what you're actually going to stamp. And then you can make fun cards like this one. This one has the balloons. Again, I was talking about that balloon card die. I don't even know if we get to get to it.
Yeah, I don't even know if I might have sold out.
I think it's pretty close. So I don't look at, don't look at the balloons.
It was in my show, and then all of a sudden it was
got
gone.
taken out. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Cake makes everything better, right? Right? Okay, of course. Oh, Valentine's. Let's make a cake for Valentine's Day. Isn't that adorable? I absolutely love that. Oh, and here's another Valentine's. Happy birthday to you. Those little bears are just going to, seriously, you're going to want to put them on every single little card. And again, here's one making your own background paper if you want to. And then, let's put it on a fold it. So again, shaped card, where Stamps of Life is known for the shaped cards. So there is a fold it. Here's a cute one with our little look at how cute that is. All those
I love that
bears.
the bear takes on the identity of whatever occasion.
Yes.
So if it's a party where there's going to be food,
right.
If you're inviting people over for brunch, right?
Yep.
Whatever it is, if you're going on a trip, whatever it is, you can just customize Mr. Bear for whatever you want.
Exactly. Look how cute that little guy is with that cute little table. And now here he is holding the little cake. So you're going to get all these different options. Here's a cute one on a little cake fold it. So again, shaped cards. Add some personality to your cards. Here's one on a flip it, which flip its are so popular. You can see the interaction on that. But those little bears are just literally waving to you. They're like saying, come on, let's go bake something. Here's a cute one on another flip it. Open it up. There you have your hidden panel in there. But look at how cute those little guys are. They're the perfect size because you can put them, you can do just one or you can do multiple. Here it is on a slimline card. Whoa, look at that. There's 3 on there. And look at how fun that is. Slimline, standard business card size. So you can put it in a regular envelope. And there you go. You have all 3 little guys on there. So you get to pick and choose. You get to have fun with this. Use the other dies that you already have. Use the other card bases that you already have. And just add this cute little bear set to them. Oh, here's a shaker card. We all love our shaker cards. Ready? There we go. See those fun shakers? They're always hard on camera, but look how cute that is. Adding the cute little bear. Life is what you bake it. So again, it can be for baking. It can be for birthday. It can be for sweets, Valentine's. I love you. Anything like that. Ooh, donut. Ooh, now I'm getting hungry. With the donuts and the cake, I'm starting to get hungry.
I love the little bear just because he's just a happy little bear.
He is.
And
He's just a cute little critter. Look at the cute little gift bag. We're just using stickers. Wouldn't that be perfect? I love that. Oh, here's another one. Yep. Oh, really quick. Sorry, guys. I have to show you this one because not only is it a bear, it's also a panda bear. Oh my goodness, look at that.
And he spins.
Oh my gosh, look at him. He's like poking his little head out.
That's my favorite bear right there.
I know. I actually think I said that too. I just love that one.
HSN deal price, $34.95. Save for our hour. I don't think you have any more airings of this.
No. This is the only one.
So if you want to grab it, 892-450 is your item number there. All right. Are we going that way?
We're going that way.
Come on, let's go this way.
Okay, zigzag.
All right, this is Rainy Day Duck.
Oh my
Rainy
goodness.
Day Duck.
Okay.
Folded card kit. Here's what I'll tell you. I have a feeling we're going to get very, very, very busy.
Yes.
This duck is the best. It's hilarious. He's cute as could be. These are going to create amazing cards. You can mix and match. You can use them with other projects. You are getting those photopolymer stamps.
Yes, photopolymer. And if you know, you
That's
know.
Important.
If you know, you know. Photopolymer.
5 dies.
Yes.
And the stencils and the storage board are all included in this kit.
Yes.
Adorable, versatile, fun.
Yes. And so, let's look at what you get really quick. I know, he's just so stinking cute. So here we go. We're getting the dies. Again, same just like the butterfly. The biggest die is the most important. So we want to make sure we look at that. Then, of course, we're getting the wonderful magnets. We're getting this photopolymer, again, photopolymer stamps. If you know, you know. That means something.
That's what you want,
Photopolymer.
right?
Yes.
Right.
Then we're getting the cute little rain stencil, the raindrops, and an idea card that shows you exactly how to do the fold it. That's very important. Now, how are we going to do a fold it? Remember, just like the butterfly, the exact same thing. We are going to fold our cardstock in half. Dun, 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 dun. I know. Woo, fast,
you did
right?
a lot better
I
than
know.
me.
Well, not better, just faster. Then on the back, same thing. Do you want it to fold at the top or on the side? It's going to say place fold here on the back of your die. Place fold here. I'm going to run this through my die cut machine just like this. Then what I'm going to get is I'm going to get this cute little guy right here. Now, that flat edge actually kind of works for his hat, but let's make it perfect. Let's make it look awesome. So we're going to go ahead and add another one. Oh, maybe we're not. Here we go. We're going to add another one on the top. I just die cut it normal. Let's just go ahead and flip that over and add that on. Then I'm going to run the other die through my die cut machine. And that's going to get me all of these little pieces. So I piece
gives you all
this
the
together.
features, right?
It does.
Yeah.
It does. We also, and I also did this because again, you guys, I'm an end user. I use these every day. I gave you an extra beak because you know what? It's one less thing you have to die cut separate. So there we go. I just pieced this little guy together using this die, running it through a couple different ways. And then I'm going to add some adhesive to the back of this one, right? Easy peasy. And then you guys, this is how easy this is. Boom. Now I have a fold it. Now, some of you might be saying, oh, that ducky is so cute, but you know what? I have a lot of guys in my life and I need something for the guy. Hello, I got you covered.
Man duck.
Oh my gosh. Are you kidding? Look at how cute he is.
He's a fisherman duck.
Oh, if I wasn't married, I'd marry this little duck. Look how cute he is. I just love him.
Well, and isn't it funny, just with the extra adornments and all the little things you did there, you completely changed the identity of that duck.
This is the same die, you guys. This is the exact same die, totally 100% different. Or just use the head. Oh,
guys, we are very busy. Everybody's loving this. We only have a couple of minutes left. It's just happy.
I know.
Really happy
look
stuff.
Oh my goodness.
Look at
how cute that is. I just love that. So fun, so cute. And you know what? Oh, here we go. Get it? Lucky duck. Lucky duck.
That's good.
Oh my goodness. Perfect for St. Patrick's Day. I absolutely love that. Here's a cute one. And again, shaped cards. You get to do shaped cards, or you get to do a 5x7 card, or you get to do a cute little gift bag.
Oh, that's cute.
You get to decide what you make. So you're, or here, this box it dies on hsn.com. Look, now we have a little box. We can put stuff in there. We don't have anything to put in there. Here, let's put some glue in there. We can put glue in there. I mean, you can put anything you want in there, but look how cute that is. And again, on the back.
Is a cough drop.
Oh, well, that's not going to work.
Yeah, no, it's not going to work.
That's not very exciting. Here we go. Oh, and you get the extra little raindrop dies. Look at how cute that is. Absolutely. Oh, again, use without the body. Just use part of the duck. You don't have to use the whole duck. Here it is on a 5x7 gatefold card. So adorable and so dang easy. You guys saw how easy it was. You're literally just die cutting and gluing. Now anybody can die cut and glue. In fact, my grandsons can die cut and glue all the time. They love to die cut, and they can make these. They're 4.5. They're going to be 5 next month, but they can make these so simple, so easy. And look at that.
Did you say your grandson?
Yeah, twins. She had 2.
How do you have grandkids?
That's a story for another day.
I'm just saying. I just like that. No, that's a compliment.
Well, thank you.
I appreciate
so thank you. I appreciate that. I appreciate that.
Anyway.
Yes.
Hey, if you want to get it, we're very busy.
Yes.
892-443. Guess what they did? What? They said we get to spend 30 seconds on balloons.
Oh, I'm so excited.
Right, so
I didn't know we were going to get to do that.
Come on over.
Oh my gosh. Oh, you guys. Right. Oh, this is so awesome. Okay.
I'm going to let you take it away because I don't even have a card on this, so just go.
Okay, so what we have here is this really cool die. It's an A2 size card base, right? So here it is, and it looks kind of cool. It has those funny balloons on the side right there, right? What that's going to do is it's going to die cut this little edge right here on the side. And then you're going to be able to add your cute little balloons. Let me show you a sample. This one, it embosses it really deep so you know exactly, can you see that? Let's see if we can catch it.
Yeah.
But you can see the imprint there. So you're going to know exactly where to put those balloons. Now, you don't have to use the card. You can just do this if you want to. But then you can create the card base. Here's a cute one. Here's an example. You're also getting, I think it's like a billion.
I like the mirror.
Not really,
card
I know. See, you're getting that. You're getting that in the kit. You're getting the mirrors. You're the mirror foil. You're also getting the glitter paper. You're getting the card die and all the layering dies. It is oh, and you're even getting the words, have a super duper birthday, which is really fun. But you get to mix and match this. You can do just the balloons if you want. Oh, here's another one with the foil. Isn't that gorgeous? I absolutely love all that foil and all that glitter. Look at that foil.
And did you use the bear?
Yes, there's our cute little bear again, right? I mean, I told you he's gonna sneak in everywhere because he's so. Oh, here's another one of the bear. So dang cute. Look at that. Oh my goodness. All those little balloons are all from that from this set. But look how cute that is with the
What is
bear
a
and the
celebration
balloons.
without balloons?
I know, right? You
Gotta
have
have them.
balloons. You have to.
$34.95. Wonderful to see you.
Nice to see you.
Again,
too, guys.
always
Yes,
good to see you.
thank you.
Hey,
Thank you.
stick around. We're going to step away. The amazing Beth Kingston is coming your way next. I'm excited.